This is Don with Maranatha Adventures. You know, when we're running trails or in search of a new camp spot and you're in the back country, having a good chainsaw is a must. We take one with us everywhere we go, and I prefer a cordless, a good cordless. I use a Husqvarna. It's the 120i, has a 14-inch bar, and I'll tell you, this chainsaw, it's a wood-eating son of a gun. It cuts through anything I put it on. And here's a short video. In this video, we cut through this fallen southern pine, and I still had 3/4 of the battery left over in this. Okay, do it. Pull it back. Pull. 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 Keep pulling. Okay. Pull it forward. Stop.